Hello, it's Mr. Lego Guy, and I spotted some Lego sets in Braintree Garden Centre. Is located in Braintree. So there are some Lego City Speed Champions and Technique sets here. So there are more of these Lego City vehicle sets. Up above, there are some Lego Creator 3-in-1 sets. More Lego City sets. And there's Lego Buildable Superman Match set. And there's the Pilot versus Hospital Patient set. And there are some Lego Marvels and DC sets. And there are some Lego Classic sets. And on the top shelf, there are even more of these Lego City Classics and Technique sets here. And on the right, there are some Lego Duplo sets that my buddies on Pokemon Go likes playing with them. Once you're shopping at Braintree Garden Centre, you must look out for some Lego sets here in the kids aisle. Over here on the round table, there are some Lego botanical sets and some Lego flower sets such as the daffodils and the sunflowers. Well, you can buy each of these flowers sets and botanical sets to display it anywhere else in your home. So I have the orchid set, the sunflower set, the roses set, and I also got the daffodil set here, which I'm going to review on them soon. If you enjoyed showing you some of these Lego sets here in the Braintree Garden Centre, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!